If you smell raw gasoline around your car or your engine is misfiring badly, you might have a ticking time bomb under your hood in the form of a P02AD code. This code specifically means that the powertrain control module has detected a leaking fuel injector on cylinder number 5. This is a severe code because a fuel leak inside your engine can cause extreme heat that will melt spark plugs and destroy your cylinder head or even wash the oil off your cylinder walls. Modern fuel injectors are high-precision components that must spray a perfect mist of fuel at exactly the right time. To find a leak, the computer looks at your oxygen sensor data and fuel trim levels and then uses the crankshaft and camshaft positions to pin it down to a specific cylinder. You will definitely notice poor engine performance and a major drop in your fuel economy, and you will likely have other misfire codes stored at the same time. The most common cause is a defective or clogged injector that can no longer seal properly, but it could also be a short in the injector wiring or a failing mass airflow sensor giving the computer bad data. To start your diagnosis, you should look at the fuel rail near cylinder number 5 for any wet spots or heavy corrosion. A great way to test this while the engine is running is to use an automotive stethoscope to listen for a steady clicking sound. If the sound is uneven or missing entirely, that injector is likely toast. You should also use a digital volt-ohm meter to check for the ground pulse from the computer at the injector plug. If the electrical signal is perfect but the cylinder is still running lean or smelling like gas, you need to replace that injector immediately. Because working with high-pressure fuel systems is dangerous and can lead to fires if not done correctly, you should really consider taking your car to a professional shop for this repair. Getting cylinder number 5 back in line will save your engine from a catastrophic failure and keep your vehicle safe for you and your family on the road.